Alright, this is a look at the Lego Great Deku Tree. Now, with this set, if you're a Zelda fan, you're going to absolutely love it. This set is a 2-in-1, so you can make the Great Deku Tree from Breath of the Wild, most recent of the Zelda games. It came right before Tears of the Kingdom. Or you can make this one from Ocarina of Time. Now, in my personal opinion, this one is has a lot more going for it. But what's great is if you decide to build this one, all of the pieces are still left over, so you can build it. It's honestly a Zelda fan's dream to be able to do that. And there's just so much to build in here. This is a 2,500 piece set. It's massive, it's huge. It took me, I couldn't do this in one sitting, and I have a full-time job, and it took me about 5 days to finish because there's a lot of repeated things you put together, but there's so many fine details in here. And from what I heard is that they customized certain pieces specifically for Nintendo for this as well. So they a little bit harder to put together. Now, this is actually the instruction manual. It is pretty thick, and that's my cat in the background. It is very thick. Alright, so this is the first thing you get to put together in the set. It's a cute little hideout, very Ocarina of Time inspired. This whole set comes with 4 characters. You get the Ocarina of Time Links, the younger ones, and then you also have Breath of the Wild Link and Zelda. I kept the Ocarina Links with the Ocarina piece. But this one, it's very cute, very easy, a good, warm up before you start building this big tree behind you. It's a cute little lookout. You get the little ocarina pieces and swords and shield. You can even, display him on the bed back here. I'm trying to, well, if you have more patience, you can display him on the bed back there, and then you can store his shield and other weapons underneath. This is small enough that I can actually display it on my bookshelf along with the Zelda manga that I own. I think it's a cute little piece for that. Now, Great Deku Tree's mouth moves. You build the mechanics for it to move. And there's a lot of repeated little tasks to do that. Again, this took a long time. You first build this portion here, the little area where the master sword is in the ground. I put the figures in later just because that's where I felt like they fit best. But this was a good way to start building this, and then you start putting together the tree. As you can tell, the tree's got lots of twists and turns and different little pieces. You also have Hestu over here. You meet him in the game, he gives you a little Korok seed. In the back, you get a little bit more detail here where you can make some food with Link. In the back, if I bring him up here, let me take him off. Make some food. And then up here you can go meet a Korok up in the back. There's so much attention to detail put into this set. Through all the little flowers, and this is the mechanism you use to move the mouth in the front. But yeah, that is a look at the Lego Nintendo Legend of Zelda Great Deku Tree. What do you think of this set? Let me know in the comments down below. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like, or comment below.